Hi guys, I am Rishit Shah from Tally School, and in this video we are going to talk about stock split entry in Tally. So what happens when you have bought a certain share and it gets split into 2 or into 3 or whatever the split ratio is. Let's take an example for this video that I have bought a Reliance share, 51 shares. So it looks like real. So I have bought 51 shares of Reliance and it got split into 102. So 2 for 1, that is the split ratio. So how do you create that entry in Tally? Let's look and let's go into Tally and see how you can create that entry in Tally. So first of all, in Tally, let me show you the stock summary. And in there, let's see the Reliance stock, which is I have selected right now. So 51 shares total for 1000 rupees per share, and total value is 51,000. Now, how do we create the stock split entry in Tally? Let's go back to the gateway of Tally and go to accounting vouchers, press enter, then go to the journal voucher, and if you are not in the journal voucher, press F7, which is the shortcut for journal voucher, or you can simply click on journal, which is available on the right hand side of Tally, the green bar where all the options are. Select appropriate date and select the journal voucher to be regular. If it is optional, select appropriate date, then press enter and come to the debit side or DR side, or you can see if it is written buy in your Tally, which is also debit side. Select Reliance ledger. So select Reliance and press enter. As soon as you press enter, you will see inventory allocations for Reliance. Now how you see that inventory allocations? That is the exact stock market method which I have described when how you can purchase the shares or how you can sell the shares. In short, stock market entries. I have created a separate video for that and you can find that in the description. So I'll link that down in the description and you can go and check how you can create stock market entries in Tally in the first place. Then you can also see this video, or you can see it right now, how you can create stock split entry in Tally. So name of the item here, again we have to select the Reliance, which is the stock item, and you can see 51 numbers here. Press enter and just don't select the tracking options or order options if you have enabled them in Tally for other purposes. And quantity will be 102 because we have split the shares, so it will be 102 and press enter. Now what will be the amount? As per Tally, it will be 1,02,000, but Tally does not understand stock split. We understand it is a stock split. Tally takes it as purchase. So what we have to do is we have to select that amount which we have actually invested in our shares. So what amount we have actually invested is 51,000 when we bought the shares. So when we bought the shares, it was 51,000. Now it is also 51,000, but the number of shares have doubled. So we'll again select 51,000 here. The end amount should remain 51,000. That's our goal. So we will select 51,000 here and press enter, and then press enter. Now credit, what we do at the credit side, we will credit the Reliance ledger once again and press enter, and in the name of the item we will select Reliance again, press enter, and not applicable for list of the orders. Then quantity, we will credit 51, because the reason for that is when we debited 102, it added 102. We already had 51 shares, it added 102, so it became 102 plus 51, which is 173. Now when we credit 51 once again, what happens is it will remove 51 from what we have added and increase the 51 shares, the quantity of 51 shares. So let's do that. 51, and amount will be 51,000 only. So press enter and select that and press enter and create the entry. So we have created the journal entry for stock split, and let's go into the stock summary and see how it looks. So we go into the stock summary, press enter, and you can see 102 shares of Reliance are there. the closing balance has changed, that is because we have created the stock split entry, and Tally takes the average while calculating the closing value. So if we go in and again in, we can see 51,000 and outwards 51,000, inwards 102, closing balance 102, and it is 68,000. Tally has calculated that automatically. That is the default method for calculating in Tally. So the question here is of stock split, and we have successfully increased the number of shares to 102. That is the default method for calculating stock value in Tally. But if we create FIFO perpetual, or if we calculate the stock value according to the FIFO perpetual, then it will be 51,000. So let's do that and let's see, because as per the income tax method, or as per the income tax act, the method for valuation of closing stock that you have to select is FIFO. So we will click on new column here, then go to from date to date, that is 31/3/20, 1 financial year, base currency, and method of stock valuation will be FIFO perpetual, which is currently it is default. We will select FIFO perpetual and press enter, stock in hand, and press enter. So you can see Tally School and another column Tally School, which is FIFO perpetual, and in there we can clearly see it is 500 rupees per share and 51,000 rupees in total. So the stock has successfully been split in Tally. At the beginning of the video, if you check by rewinding this video, you will see that the value of the stock was 1,000 rupees per share, but now it has been decreased to 500 because there is a reason for that. Let me explain you the reason. Because when we invest money in the shares, we account that is, in accounting we do the entry for the investment. Then at the time of sale or purchase, or at the time of stock split or bonus, or anything happens that affects our accounting, we create the accounting entry. But we do not create accounting entry when the market value changes. When the market value goes up and down, we don't create the accounting entry for that. We only create when we sell or purchase, or when something significant occurs. We do not account for market value in Tally or in accounting in any software. So that is the reason that when the stock split happens, we do not enter the market rate, we enter what we have invested. For us, we have invested 51,000 and we got 50 shares extra in stock split. So we just add that and we create a stock split entry. The amount remains the same for us in accounting. That is what we have invested in the beginning, and that was 51,000 rupees. So that is what I am trying to explain you. So that is what it is in Tally right now also. So this is the stock split entry in Tally, and thank you very much for watching this video. If you have liked this video, then subscribe to Tally School channel. We are almost 18,000 subscribers. I am very happy that subscriber base is increasing day by day and people are getting to know Tally very well. So subscribe to Tally School, and if you have liked this video, then let me know by giving a thumbs up, because that is the way I know that you really liked the video. If you have any questions, suggestions or doubts, then comment down below and I will look down into each of your questions and try to create a video if your question is significant, or I will try to create a video if that question intrigues me. So comment down below your questions, your doubts, and thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.